Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome to my channel. If you saw my last video, I was showing you a palette from ColourPop and one of the shades fell out while I was filming. Anyway, I want to thank the people who encouraged me not to let it go but to contact ColourPop. They gave me a promo code so my daughter and I will be able to get some free stuff. Free is my favorite price, so that's awesome. Today we're going to talk about some of the cute little things that I love to bring with me when I travel, and then we're going to head over to the Nordstrom sale to see some of the makeup sales kits. But before that, I just want to show you which variation of the Boxycharm that I got. I'm not going to do a video because everyone in the free world got their box way before I did, and so there's just no point. I love the Luxie brushes, but I wish I got the spa wipes, but I never get what I want. Boxycharm is like the bad boyfriend you should have broken up with after the first month, but you can't. Next, I really wasn't planning on getting this palette, but then when I saw it, I thought, it's so little, it's so cute. I've used it already. It's the same great NARS quality eyeshadows that we're used to. Well, I've used it twice. It's pretty complete on its own, but it's not tiny. It's really tiny. I'm going to try to show you how tiny it is by putting it next to the NARS Skin Deep palette and holding it in my hand. My hands are really small. And this is the MAC 217 brush. You can see it's not tiny. It's really, really tiny. The next thing I really need to travel with is the Drunk Elephant lip balm. And I know, it's so expensive, but I love it so much. I need it. And even though it looks really fat and it wouldn't seem to work, it works beautifully. I love this chapstick. It's the best. The next little thing that I like to bring with me when I travel is the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize eyeshadow. At this point, it's all about laziness for me. The more time goes on, the more it's about laziness. And these are the easiest thing. You take it a tiny, tiny, tiny bit on the brush, you blend it lightly into the crease, lasts all day. It does move up a tiny bit. It's not a problem. I just put bronzer in the crease. Lasts all day, no matter what, if you're in the heat, whatever. These are in the shade on the left, Rose Gold and Bette. I won't bring both, I'll bring one or the other. I know, they're expensive, I know. This is the Milk Makeup Hydrating Oil Stick. Again, it's about laziness. I want to bring one thing to moisturize. This is my whole skincare routine. So you can do your eyes, it doesn't get in your eyes, doesn't burn your eyes. You can do your whole face, put it on really fast. You don't even have to get it on your hands. And it's not so greasy that you're going to be slip sliding away either. This is the Super Silicone Sponge. You know, the one Tati talked about before it was released and you had to order it pre-release. Anyway, I'm going to leave my beauty blender at home, so there'll be no more avoiding using it despite the bad reviews I've been hearing. Okay, so I'm going to head on into Nordstrom and I'm going to show you just a few of the makeup kits that I think are interesting. I'm not going to show you everything because it would be endless. I don't know if I'm going to get any makeup. I think I have enough and I want to use what I have. Who am I? Hi. And I know this makeup is exclusive to the sale, but are they really sales? Okay, let's just get over there and look at them. I was planning to get this Supermodel Body Oil by Charlotte Tilbury, and I tried swatching some on, and I didn't see anything. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't moisturize. If anything, it left my skin feeling just like I had a sticky, like dried up glue. It's a nice bottle. It looks beautiful. No, I'm glad I didn't order it online. No way. And this is the Bobbi Brown, the Essential Deluxe Eyeshadow and Face Set. Looks like a really nice neutral palette. Out of all of them, this one really is grabbing my attention. This is the Laura Mercier Très Chic Face Palette. I don't know, it looks like such great quality, but I already have so many face palettes. Yeah, I think this is the one that's driving me nuts. Yeah, the bronzer blush highlighter. Beautiful. I think I want this one. The second palette by Laura Mercier, it's called the Signature Eye Palette. It looks like a very wearable everyday palette. This is MAC Brush with Fame Pro Brush Kit, and this is the Luxie Class Face Brush Kit. This one kind of has my attention too. It's the Easy Smoky Eye by Charlotte Tilbury. Trying to tell just from the swatches, the formula seems a little different in that it's more pigmented than other Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows. Nice warm shades, beautiful. And this is the Eye Color Quad Lip Set by Tom Ford. And Espionage Iconic Shimmer by Stila. The salespeople were really nice letting me get away with filming all this. Maybe I'll see you in Nordstrom from July 19th to August 4th. So let me know in the comments below if you're going to go to the Nordstrom sale and what you're hoping to pick up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.